Let's analyze together the latest technical analysis of Nikola Corporation.
Let's see what's going on and what happened with this amazing stock. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome to Trading HT. Thank you for subscribing. We love you guys. Thank you very much. Let's see. The technical analysis very interesting. We were trading inside this kind of trading channel. Maybe that was a possibility. And it seems like the price hit the upper part of this channel according to this technical analysis, and it got rejected from there. Right now minus 6% today. Very interesting. What do you think about it, guys? Do you agree with this technical pattern? Do you think the price will go to the lower part of this channel, or do you think it will break up to the upside? Let us know in the comments and let's go.
Wow, very interesting, I gotta say. Look at that. If we see a breakout from here on this level, this could get interesting, because we're talking about like normally when there is a breakout, the typical pattern is like a retest and then going up. Maybe this could happen, we are right now in the resistance level, which is very important, if they break it, maybe we could be talking about, further levels on the upside.
Yeah, exactly. That breakout would be very interesting to see. And also we have the different possibilities with the price going to the lower level, maybe bouncing at 0.67, something like that, or even going way lower to 52 cents, something like that, or maybe a different scenario. But we want to share here some possibilities, and you can share with us all the ideas that you have about this stock for this 2024, now that we are ending January, because the start of the year for this stock wasn't that good at first. We had this drop in the price, very dramatic, almost 30, yeah, more or less 30%. But from there, the price bounced, and right now we are currently at plus 28%. So more or less at the start of the year, entering the month of February.
Yeah, let's take a look at now at the volume profile, because this is like where the most trading volume right now is happening in this particular. So let's take a look at it. And I'm gonna say, watching right now what we have the data is like we are away from the point of control right now. So according to this data, it should go up a little bit further to $1.
Yeah, this indicator tends to be like in that way. It seems bullish, but as usual, this is just another tool that you can apply and follow different indicators. For instance, we have this technical pattern indicating that the price should go lower if the breakout doesn't happen. But then we have that indicator that says that the price could go higher. That's something interesting in technical analysis. And sometimes if you use different tools, you will see like different scenarios. But if you apply a good risk management strategies and also good trading psychology, as we mentioned in the previous videos about the book Trading in the Zone, it doesn't matter what the market is going to do next, because as traders we know what we are going to do next, and that's more than enough.
Also, take a look at the 0.50 area. This is very important. It was the last lows that we saw back in June 2023. We are not very far away from there, but it's also you have to take into account all the type of offset scenarios that we have, because we have the bullish side right now, which is a breakout above this channel, this downtrend channel, and then we have the second scenario, which is like the bearish scenario one, and we could go back to 0.50. So both scenarios are possible right now because we are in the resistance level. And let's take a look at the forecast, Enrique.
Yeah, let's go for it. Very interesting. As usual, we have different opinions right here. We want all of your opinions also in the comments. But in this case, all seem positive. We have only 6 analysts, 7 analysts rating with neutral perspective, more or less. But, the forecast with the price target is very bullish. But as usual, this is just another tool.
Yeah, this is very weird. All these 7 analysts right now, we are taking into account that the average is more than 177. But right now it's like obviously we are trading at very low levels, which is very common. If you analyze a stock that has been falling, to the ground, and normally this is the scenario you see from the analysts. Unless the company is in bankruptcy, which normally is not the case in this particular stock, but in other instances, like other stocks, you could see that happening. Like they are not bullish because the company is not in a very healthy situation.
Yeah, so let us know in the comments what are your forecasts, if you agree with this analysis, or if you have different visions and the reasons behind it. And in the next video we can talk about it. In previous videos we had some comments. We couldn't see all of them because we didn't have much time, but we're going to do it from now on, because we think it's very interesting to comment all that. If we have comments from previous videos that are not that far away, we could mention in the next video also about Nikola and other stocks that we have in our channel.
Also, finally, let's take a look at indicators right now, because very interesting as well, because this is something that you need to have in mind, in order to see when is the best moment to enter, in this particular stock. So we have right now, this is very interesting, because we always say, as soon as you see like some moving averages, like the 10 moving averages and the 20 moving averages in a buy signal, this is when things get interesting, because this is like, if this trend continues, maybe this is like a signal to buy the stock, obviously you said everything in sell mode, normally this is not positive.
Yeah, this is another tool that you have right here with a lot of indicators, and normally the moving average are one of the first indicators to indicate the upside movement, because obviously you see the price starting to go higher, and at the end of the day the indicators, you have to understand that they just reflect the price action, so you can just analyze the price action directly, but these are tools that can help you visually and also give you like different ideas and insights. So right now we have the oscillators neutral and the moving average a little bit to the sell side, but this doesn't seem like a very, very good tool right now, because we don't have that movement in the price action, because I think that when you're trading inside this type of channels and you're watching this type of ranges, maybe the oscillators can help you, but the moving average work way worse, because you don't have like those trends that you can follow with them. It depends on the type of market. Different indicators work better than others. Maybe you know about it also. Let us know in the comments.
Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. We have educational content that we're going to release very, very soon, so stay tuned.
Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe. We are 1,000 subscribers already. Thank you a lot. Have a nice week. Take care.
Also, check this video. We have here trading affirmations right there.
Thank you very much. We hope you enjoy it.